Adalah seorang petualang yang punya cara berpikir yang disebut numpang gratis seperti yang dia sebutkan tadi ya. Sehingga dia tidak tahu di mana dia akan berada, di mana dia akan menginap. Dia pernah dipanggil untuk menginap di hospital, itu rumah sakit. Tapi untungnya dia banyak orang yang ingin membantu sehingga dia merasa sangat senang. Dan ada juga seorang guide yang mengajaknya, yaitu adalah dia tidak sebut namanya tapi saya sebut namanya, itu Mr. Anjas di sana, sehingga Maya bisa datang ke sini bahwa ada sebuah tempat belajar bahasa Inggris yang menurutnya bagus dan ya kalian bisa berdiskusi dengan kakak Maya. Kakak means older.
I know.
Okay.
I know, Kakak.
Dan karena ini adalah bagian dari kecintaannya untuk traveling, jalan-jalan keliling dunia, dia mengunjungi berbagai macam tempat, bertemu dengan orang dan merasakan bagaimana sambutan hangat dari orang-orang yang dia temui di berbagai macam dunia. Oke. Perfect translation. Oke, ada lagi? Ayo silakan. Tidak apa-apa. Make a simple questions, pertanyaan sederhana, whatever you wanna know. Oke, Lin. Yeah, time is yours. Okay. I give it to you.
You will say in Bahasa and then you translate.
He's good in English.
Why and what made you want to become a doctor, and since when did you become?
Oh, good question. Okay, so I don't know. Because I remember, like, always I wanted to be a vet. I would say that maybe it's like my first memory that, yeah, I want to be a veterinary doctor. And when I went to high school, I had to choose profile, and I was like, oh, I'm really close to making my dream, like, finish it. So, and I study, and I almost finished, but I had like a little crisis on my way. And this is why I took a gap year and I'm here. And also during traveling, when I rest and also see completely different animals on my way, I realized that I really want to go back to my dream from childhood, because I just want to help. And now, specifically when I see these old wild animals, which are maybe will not anymore like in 20 years, I just want to help them.
Oke. Sebenarnya dia nggak tahu katanya kenapa dia harus mau menjadi dokter, dan dia terus melakukan penjajakan, dan di masa dia sekolah sepertinya SMA dia mencoba untuk mendekati impiannya, dan mendekati impiannya itu ternyata kelihatannya bahwa ya saya kembali ke masa kecil saya. Masa kecil saya adalah ya suka binatang juga. Do you have a pet also kan? Nah, itulah yang membuat dia ingin membantu juga hewan-hewan yang berkeliaran lah, yang susah gitu. Jadi dia ingin menolong banyak hewan, bukan menolong banyak orang, menolong banyak hewan. Karena dia akan menjadi dokter hewan. Oke, Lin, do you understand? Even though I don't translate, you know, but beginners they need, and also the social media, on social media. Oke. Siapa lagi? Do you have question? Come on, kid. You? Okay, introduce yourself ya. Okay.
My name is Muhammad Hilal Arabi. You can call me Ilal. Ilal? Do you have cat?
No, I don't have cats.
What you going to LBB?
Hah?
What you going to LBB?
Why mungkin? Kenapa?
Why you going to LBB?
Why do you come to Rumah Belajar? Ya, RBB.
Here?
Iya.
Because of my guide. I mean, like, he told me. No. So, because of my guide, who told me that there is some school, and if I want to participate in this kind of meeting, if I have time, and I was like, yeah, sure. I have no plans, and I would appreciate if I can go and meet local people.
Oke. Karena kenapa pertanyaannya tadi, kenapa dia ke Rumah Belajar? Karena guide-nya adalah Mr. Anjas, dan dia tidak punya rencana, dan Mr. Anjas memberitahukan bahwa ada tempat belajar bahasa Inggris, dan oke, dia datang saja, mau saja datang. Oke, begitu. Oke, next. Here. Oke. Nah, dekat saja sini Pak Yat, kalau kecil suaramu. Mundur, besar suara.
Hello, so my name is Muhammad Rehan. You can call me Raya. Ryan, you can call me Ryan.
Kalau kenalan nama kecil aja ya.
Oh, yeah. So my question is, what is your first impression of Indonesia? Yeah.
First impression. I have to go back. What was 5 weeks ago? 5 weeks ago. So I think my first impression was like crowded.
Crowded.
Crowded, yeah. And like more like chaos, but in positive meaning.
What is the meaning chaos in positive?
That a lot of things are happening in one moment, I would say. And also that a lot of people smile.